The video guide will help you to remove the adware and the browser hijacker called everygamesearch.com. This is the hijacker because it changes your default search engine without your permission. So, when you submit some search queries, you notice that the results are delivered by Yahoo Search. And no matter what particular query you submit, you notice that Yahoo is in charge of your default search. As long as the hijacker is active and its extension is active, your browser will be hijacked like that. Additionally, this is the adware because it displays some intrusive ads while you surf the web, and these ads may even redirect the browser to a lot of suspicious sites. Finally, a lot of browser hijackers like everygamesearch.com may be involved in spying your browsing activities, in tracking your personal data, so we recommend you not to trust this particular service and to get rid of it as soon as possible. The problem is that often this hijacker is bundled with some free programs, so you need to be careful whenever you install any freeware. Be careful to check if there is any other extra software recommended. Now, to remove any unwanted browser extensions, you need to access the menu of your browser, which looks as this circle with three vertical dots. Then click on More Tools and choose Extensions. You'll find some extensions. Some of them will be decent, some not. If you see some suspicious extensions in the list, you may disable them or just remove them completely. And finally, my recommendation is that you scan your Mac additionally with Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. The best place to get it is here, combocleaner.com. So download the software and then install the application and start scanning your Mac device with it. Click on Start Combo Scan button and the free analysis of your Mac will begin. So far, this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, it will perform the direct and thorough analysis of your Mac computer. And at the end of scanning, the detailed report will be given. You may click on the icon or the link called Review Results, and this will immediately show you where exactly the thread is located and what particular thread it is. So you may remove each thread manually, one thread at a time, simply by clicking on this small icon that is saying Show in Finder. So you may find the location of this adware in the Finder and move it to the trash. You may do it with each specific thread, adware or malware that may be the part of your computer. So click on this icon, Show in Finder. As I said, this will show you its location, and you may remove each detected thread manually and absolutely for free. Or you may perform the automatic malware removal. However, this will be done with the premium version of the program.